So hello guys, today I am going to give you a trick how you can create your presentation in a 1 minute, even less than minute. Let's say if you have a presentation in a 15 minute or in 30 minute. So what you do guys, you go on the on the internet or search some AI websites and using that you will create the presentation. But that presentation was not much customizable. Yeah, if you want your own theme, you can't create. If you want to do more customize, you can't do that. Why? They have a minimal functionality. After the beyond of the functionality, you want different themes, you want different fonts. Then what they say, they ask about money. So or that is not also customizable. Okay, so they are very they are not much good in the preview version. In the presentation we have required minimal design, classic design, simple fonts, not much not much heavy animations. Yeah, this is the fact. We required only minimal and classic designs of presentation in the presentation. Okay, so what do we do if we have only 15 minutes or 20 minutes? So we can use uh, you know ChatGPT or our PowerPoint presentation applications. Okay, so what do we do? We use these tools. So in the market, there are many tools are available. There is also in the recent coming that is DeepSeek. You can also use that, or here is a Copilot. You can use Copilot, and there is a many tools. So I'm using ChatGPT. Using that, I'll show you how you can create your presentation in 1 minute, even less than that minute, even second. So I have a very powerful trick, or you can say magic. Using that magic, we'll create our presentation in 1 minute, even less than that minute. Okay, so welcome. How we do that? So first we have to open ChatGPT, then and open PowerPoint presentation. So here is PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so there is a I used before, so I saw that. So okay, so I said that GPT, hey GPT, I want a presentation on Indian tech stack. Okay, so it gives me a structure. After that structure, I'll copy this. No, because if we copy this, because we have a many slides in this format. Okay, and if we copy this and paste here in the PowerPoint presentation, okay, blank presentation, so it's take too much time. Okay, so I said to you less than 1 minute. In the less than 1 minute, you will create your presentation. So we have our structure. Okay, so you can customize your own structure. You can set the ChatGPT or any others AI pilot what you want, what your structure, what your content. Okay, after that customization, you have to tell your GPT, hey, give me the VBA code for the above you know yeah, above formats above. So it gave me a VBA code. So where is the magic? So VBA code is a magic. It's a magic. So using that VBA code, this is a VBA code provided by, see, this is a VBA code provided by the ChatGPT. I'll copy this and paste in the VBA editor. So how we'll do that? Let's come and tell you. So I'll generate the VBA code. Okay. So VBA code is generated. Let me copy the VBA code. Okay. And I also ask how I put this code on the PowerPoint macros. Yeah, PowerPoint. Okay. So what do you have to do? Here is a wrong guys. This is a Microsoft Excel. You can also, this VB code is also working with Microsoft Excel, but we have to work with Microsoft PowerPoint. So we have our VBA code. Open a new or existing Excel workbook. So not Excel workbook, PowerPoint workbook. So I open. Okay. Now I have to press Alt F11 to open VBA editor. Okay. So I'll click plus Alt F11. Okay. So guys, you can see this is our interface of the VBA editor. And what's the next step? It's available. Click on insert, then module, and after that paste that VB code. What do you copy? So I'm going here, insert, module, and paste the copy of the VBA code. Okay, so it's done. Now we have to provide final steps. We have to run this code, and after run this code we will see the magic. So what's the magic? How will do? Simply press F5, or you can go to the run button, sub user form, to execute this VBA code. Okay, and after that PowerPoint will automatically will with the presentation creator. Okay, and it will open your presentation. So let's see. Here I come. Press F5. Okay, it's a PowerPoint presentation created successfully. So guys, your presentation is ready. Now you can use that presentation in your
3, 2, 1.
exams or you have required. So this is the our presentation. Very minimal, very basic. Now you can edit also. If you not find good, you can do edit. You can change the theme. Here is a designer option available. There are many designs are available. You can pick any design and create wonderful presentations. Like I choose this, you choose this. Many options are available. Like so, I'll create the presentation. Okay, you can see the more design. So see guys, how easy this is now. So you can create your presentation even less than 1 minute. So this is the way using your VBA code. So that's the real magic. That VBA code, using that VBA code, you will create your presentation in a minute. So go guys, do create your own presentation. Next time use this technique and do one job. So guys, thank you. Do like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, well, post your query in the comment box, or you can connect with me on my social handles. So thank you guys, and if you want prompt of this chat, I'll provide in the description, or you can ask in the comment box. So thank you guys, keep like and subscribe. Thank you guys.